Hey or hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a diaper cake. I know you've probably seen these all over the internet and they're great for decor or just as a gift for baby showers. And in this video I'm going to show you that you don't have to pay somebody to make one of these diaper cakes for you. You can actually make one by yourself at home. So stay tuned. For this DIY, you're going to need at least 3 large pieces of cardboard. I cut mine from an Amazon box. You're going to need toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. You're going to need ribbon, tape, and rubber bands. And you're going to need diapers. I used a whole box of 72 diapers. I'm going to use an old trick that I learned back in middle school for cutting circles. It's not going to give a perfect circle, but it'll be pretty close. I mark off the edges of the cardboard just with a curve, just to kind of get an oval circle shape, and cut off those edges, and then just keep trimming to work it into a circle shape. So the base piece is going to be as close as to 13 inches as possible, and every piece after that is going to be about 1.5 inches smaller than the piece before it. I know you guys don't want to see me just cutting circles, and here are my base pieces. So the bottom piece, the middle piece, and the very top piece, and these are going to add stability to the diaper cake so they can be carried. So I'm going to take the largest circle, and I am going to take either a half of paper towel tube or the toilet paper tube and tape it into the center of the circle. I'm not just using scotch tape, I'm using packing tape here, so that's why it looks pretty hefty. You just want to make sure you're using some type of heavy tape. If you're not using packing tape, just some type of heavy tape to hold this into place, so you make sure that the tube is not shifting around and it's offering some type of support, because ultimately this is going to be the support for the rest of your cake, and so you don't want the top of it to crumble. So to roll up a diaper, the first thing I do is just get a small sized rubber band. You don't want one too big, just because you're going to have to wrap it around a few times and that's going to get annoying and make the shape a little weird. You just roll up the diaper, not too tight, and then just wrap the rubber band around. It should just go around either once or twice and you're done. So once you've rolled up a few diapers, you can start to bunch them around the cardboard tube that's in the middle of the circle, just to kind of get an idea of what you're working with and what kind of pattern and how to kind of space things out. And then you can always roll and go. You don't need to roll a whole bunch of diapers and then put them, just kind of get an idea of what you're working with. Once you have a fair amount of diapers rolled for that particular piece of base, that's when I start to take larger rubber bands and then wrap them around groups and connect the groups together. So as you can see, I'm wrapping a group around the rubber band with a larger rubber band, and then I'm taking another group and I'm grouping them together with a rubber band and linking them together with the group that's already connected to the cardboard tube. So after a while, the diapers all are set together, and instead of using some type of glue or some type of tape that ruins the diapers, they're all connected together with the rubber band. Trust, they will all be hidden by the time you get to the end of the diaper, and I will be showing you that very shortly. As you can see, I have finished the bottom base of the diaper cake. I have added a little bit of tape and some hot glue to the cardboard tube in the middle, and I am placing the second cardboard piece in the middle for stability. And I am going to start the next layer, or the next part of the process, all over again. So I have completed the layers of the diaper cake. As you can see, I have done the second and the top layer. I did the same method with all the layers, with connecting the diapers together via rubber bands, instead of using any types of glue or tape, just to make the diapers usable for the recipient of the diaper cake. And each layer does have a cardboard base. I know it looks a little weird right now, but I am going to be using the ribbon to show you how I hid the rubber bands, so you can't see all the behind the scenes work, I guess, for lack of a better term. And here's the finished product. As you can see, I hid the rubber bands by wrapping ribbon, a thick ribbon, around where the rubber bands would be. The thick ribbon is held in place by hot glue. So I pulled the ribbon tight and then hot glued it together. So there's still no glue, no tape touching the diapers. So the diapers are still usable for the recipient. I hope this was a good visual tutorial of how to make a diaper cake on your own, so you don't have to pay someone to make one for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are into home DIY, if you are into food, if you are into travel, then this is a channel for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back every week for more videos like these. Bye!